Hey everyone, just wanted to talk today about ways that you can distribute some of your video material out into the world using Searchie. And I wanted to highlight one of the ways that I'm using it here on my Squarespace site. So I have a whole series going on called Searchie Success, where I interview people and all the incredible ways that they are using Searchie hubs, and putting Searchie out, using it as landing pages and all kinds of really cool things. So I created a playlist called Searchie Success, and then I have embedded this playlist onto my website. So when you come to my website, you scroll down here on my website, and then you come to this Searchie Success section, and I've got a little intro here, and you can press play, and you can see I've got 10 videos here, and you can, when you press the 10 here, you can see all the different videos that are listed here, and all of this content is searchable. And if you press the search button here, you can say, you can see Tatiana. Tatiana was one of the interviews, so I can find all the places where Tatiana is mentioned, and that will bring up all the places where Tatiana's name was mentioned. There was 2 places where her name was mentioned. Or if we want to find the word hub, 20 results in this one video, 10 in this other video, 8, 7, 6. Anyway, you can see all the different times in each of the different videos where the word hub was mentioned. And then as a user, I can go to that video and go to the direct places in those videos where the word hub is mentioned. So anywhere where there's a dot is the direct place in that video where the word hub is mentioned, and I can go directly to that place. So that is how the playlist looks inside of the video, and as you can see, also the captions show here, and people can fast forward, and they can rewind and adjust the volume, and they can make it full screen, and they can speed up the make it really fast with the speech. So anyway, so I'll show you how to embed this on your website. I've got it. I'm going to show you how to do it on the Squarespace site, but you can do it on your WordPress. You can do it on Kajabi. You can do it anywhere where you can take the Searchie code and insert it onto any other platform where you can insert code. Okay, so here I am on Squarespace, but I'm going to go back into Searchie here, and I'm back inside Searchie here. I'm going to go to the left menu bar, and I'm going to come over here to playlists, and then I am going to find the playlist that I want to put out. So let's find a good one. So actually, let's put out this Hub Up Post Class. That is a course that I did a few weeks ago. And so I can click on that, and I can get the embed code here. Or, by the way, if I go back out, all I have to do is just hover over these 3 dots and grab the embed code here. Okay, so let's just grab that and just say embed, and when I do, this pops up, and I get to say copy code here, and you can see it said playlist link copied. And so then I can come over to my I was working in here earlier. I gotta save my changes. So I'm inside my Squarespace site now. And if I go back out, you can see I'm inside my Squarespace site, and I come to pages. This is Squarespace 7.1. And I go to pages, and I have this testing page here. And so I can come over here, and I can go to edit, and I just go to add a section. And we'll just put a text section in to just get started here. And then I'll just put a little plus in here and come over. That brings up my different blocks, and I'll put a code block in there, delete what's there, and then Control V to paste. And that brings in my code. And then I'm going to delete all of this, or maybe I'll move it up and say, you know, search this material here. Search my Hub Up videos. Okay, and then we can make this a header, and there you go. And let's save that, and we can preview it by going over here and hit play. And now you can see we have got 6 videos here, again, just like the other page. And when you hit that, then the 6 videos show up, and then you can search on it here. And that is embedding a playlist. The other thing I wanted to mention to you is that when we embedded it, you'll notice it didn't have a very nice thumbnail on the front of it, so it will show whatever is the thumbnail for that playlist. And I did not have a playlist thumbnail selected for this playlist, so it just picked up the video, the playlist thumbnail for the first video. So if you want for something to be nice, when you show your playlist out to the world, let me just hit refresh here. If you want for something to show nice to the world, then you want to make sure that the playlist cover has a nice thumbnail. So instead of having this how to what's next section, more on this, that'll make sense if you were in my course, then you want to have this thumbnail be something, because this is the playlist thumbnail. So that's what you want to change to make sure that the cover looks nice, like how it does here inside of my Searchie Success. We've got the nice cover of the woman sitting on the laptop there, and it's got Searchie Success here. That is the cover for that playlist. So I hope that makes sense. And again, you can embed this anywhere. You know, anywhere you can embed code, you can embed a playlist, a Searchie playlist, and you can make it searchable, and you can show any of the videos that are inside that playlist. Hope this helps. Have a great Searchie day, everybody. Let me know if you have any questions or if there are any other videos that would be helpful for you.